Here is a brief tutorial on how to access the key fob from the lockbox on the driver's side window. Open the lockbox. Enter in the 4-digit code. If the code does not work, reset it and try again. With the proper code entered, you will be able to unlock the lockbox and retrieve the key from the Faraday pouch. The Faraday pouch blocks the signal so that the door can't be automatically opened accidentally or by unauthorized use. Remove the key from the bag. The key will be on a hook, which you should remove from the bag. You then want to place the bag back in the lockbox. And lock it back. You will need to enter in the code before you can then lock it back completely and close the flap. You will then have access to the key fob, which will get you access to the vehicle. Please remember to put the key back in the Faraday bag and put it back in the lockbox at the end of your trip. Drive safe, and thank you for using Turo.